Mm. So this is my beautiful bottle. Now I don't know how to say this, but I say xerjoff. It's gorgeous. And I first found out about this scent when I got on the tube, and there was this girl, and from the minute I got on, I could just smell her radiating this, and I thought, you look fancy, and you smell fancy. I'm gonna smell like you. But this is my unboxing. Finally, I got it. It's not the cheapest of fragrances, definitely. But my God, is it worth it when you know how long it lasts for? Finally, it's out. It comes in this nice padded box. Feels luxurious. Very soft. With their branding all over it. And then opening the box. And ooh la la. Ooh, bye bye. Look at Alejandra in the box. And I'd say the smell is it's sophisticated. It's a complex smell. You can't put your nose on everything, but there's a lot of complexity going on. I'd say it smells, like baby powder. Like it's got a powdery base smell running through it. And then there's a hint of sandalwood coming through, and there's some fruity notes in there, but it's all very demure. It's got a demure scent, It's all very it's light. Well, doesn't this just give away the fact that this is like the second unboxing of whatever? This is just the second unboxing of what I just opened. Because it wasn't put in the box properly, and I did that already. I just wanted to open it again with you. The second time. Beautiful. But yeah, the scent is kind of woody, vanilla-y, not too much vanilla. Sweet undertone. It's feminine and playful. It's a very luxurious scent. And it's a scent that could be worn mainly in the evening if you wanted it to, or you could wear it in the daytime. I get confused with knowing what scents are evening scents and what scents are daytime scents. I guess the scents that are deeper are evening scents, and the scents that are lighter and fresh are more daytime. This is a complex scent. I guess it's in the middle. So I guess it's all right to wear anytime. The girl I met, she was wearing her gym clothes and rocking it on the tube. When you smell someone who smells nice, they smell nice. That's it. Unless you don't think about whether it's daytime, evening time, summertime, wintertime. You just think,